Snowflakes whisper light and slow, trees in silver twilight glow, footprints lost in powdery sea, an endless quest for you and me. Moonlight dances through the pines, echoes of forgotten times. Owls watch with ancient eyes, secret woods and silent cries. Through the white forest we will go, finding dreams and fallen snow, hidden paths and midnight hue, just you and me and forest clue. Frosted branches weave a spell, stories only trees can tell. Every step a wintry thread, woven in the paths we tread. Frozen rivers hold their peace, nature's wonders never cease. Beneath the ice, life's web lies strong. In the forest we belong. Through the white forest we will go, finding dreams and fallen snow, hidden paths and midnight hue, just you and me in forest.